Domino is an Italian company that I've known for a long time. In the distant past, when I was racing World Supersport back 18-20 years ago, I used a lot of their kit, and this is some of it. This is a twist grip. I'm not going to bore you with what a twist grip is. You know all that. What I will tell you is this is really good kit, and the different thing about this particular one is it comes with different internal pieces. They go in there to give you a different ratio. So it's real quick action as the white one that's in there now, or you've got the middle one is red, and the green one is more like a standard setup. They come either with or without the rubbers. And don't think just because you've got an ultra modern fuel injected fly-by-wire Superbike that you can't fit a Domino twist grip. You can, because Domino supply the appropriate for whatever model of bike you've got, cables that go into the potentiometer, and that will make a difference on the action type. So a quick action throttle will give you a quicker action even on a fuel injected bike. Every day's a school day.